Welcome to the ClickTrade tutorial video. We're going to walk you through the simple process of creating variations of your web page for easy A/B split testing. What we're going to do here, first of all, is log into our dashboard, which we're here at this point, and we're going to grab the URL of our website that we want to work with. So I just copied the URL, and you want to put it in this field here. You can do a Control V with your keyboard. That should paste it in, and click Add. And you could ignore this top campaign up here, that's for testing. So now that we've got this page listed, we're going to click on the blue icon here, this wrench icon. And we're going to give this campaign a name. We're just going to call it Test A. Click on Create. And now we're going to see a preview of our website. And you can click this plus symbol over here to the right of the dashboard, and you can increase it a couple times just to kind of see more of a preview of the page that you're working on. And this is the web page that's online currently. And the program here tells you that you have to add a line of code for this to work. So we're going to simply drag our mouse over this code, right click and choose copy. And I'm going to go over to my index page here. And you want to place this code right above the ending head tag, which is right here. You can do a Control V or paste it right into your code. And this is really for static HTML pages. If you are using WordPress or another content management system and you're not sure what to do, let us know. We can help you out. But you should be able to figure out where to place this code in that platform. So we're going to go to File, click on Save, and I'm going to use a free program called FileZilla to upload this updated page to the server. And now that's been updated, we're going to go back here. I'm going to simply refresh the browser on my dashboard here. When you refresh it, okay, it shows that it detects the new code has been added, and we're going to click this plus symbol over here to get more of the site preview. Okay, so you'll notice here it says you can left click for AB or right click for CTA, which calls for call to action. Alright, so what we're going to do a variation of this text here, how I built a 40,000 per year online business. So we're going to change the dollar value of this. So I'm going to simply left click in this area, and it dynamically generates these fields down here. And I'm going to click on the duplicate link here, and that's going to give me two variations on top or in addition to the original version. So I'm going to change this 40,000. I'm going to put my cursor there and simply backspace, and we're going to change that 4 to a 1 to make this 10,000, and change this 40,000 over here to 100,000. Alrighty, and what you want to do is go down to these drop downs where it says group here, and you want to name this group 1 and group 2. It's very important that you designate these drop down numbers for these variations. And when you've done that, you simply go to the click here area and click on Save. And now the program is reminding us that there's no call to action defined yet. So we're going to click OK here. And we're going to find out the button on our website where people have to click on. And we're going to right click on that button. And it's telling us that now it's going to keep track of the number of times that button's been clicked on. So that's very valuable information. You can just look at your dashboard here and get a good idea of how much activity has actually gone through your site once you've sent traffic to it. And these variations here of the dollar amounts will also show up in your stats area of what's worked best, what's converted, what's led to sales. And once you know which ones have worked good for you, you can get rid of the losing versions and add in a new variation that you think may work. So you can continue testing, and that's only going to increase conversions, increase sales, and make your website more successful, your campaign more successful. So now that we've added the CTA, we're going to make sure we click on Save once more. Alrighty. So we're going to go back up here to Campaigns. Very important. And you'll notice in the status that this campaign is currently idle. So before we go any further, we want to make sure we click this green play button here to start the campaign. And we're going to click OK. And now you'll notice the campaign is active. Alright, so that's really all it took to create 3 total variations of our website that we're going to send traffic to and see which version works best. And of course you can go back, click on the blue button here, View Campaign, and you can go back and create other variations of text within your website here, not just that one heading. That should be no problem. Or you can get rid of this split test and do another split test on another page. There's all kinds of possibilities. So that's all there is to it. Took a few moments, and now you've got an incredible tool to give you information that will be incredibly valuable for you to figure out which version works and which one doesn't. So this is going to be the end of part 1 of training, and the next video will show you even more information as far as being able to view the stats in your dashboard of how many times the variations have been clicked on and which ones have worked. So again, if you have any questions, let us know. We're here to help, and thanks.